This is the area in Mad Max 2 where the biker come off the bike and flipped and broke his leg. And yeah, it was a top scene actually. I'll just walk up here a bit further so you can relate to it a bit better. This is on the Menindee Road, of course, in the area which locals call Red Hill. So it's in this area. This is a typical creek in a hill, basically, washed out with the stones in. Yeah, so it's in this area here where the bike was flipped and the biker broke his leg. Just something of interest. And of course at the top, that's where we were, and that's where the interceptor was rolled and blown up.